Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to Protrainy's demo session on Vastu Shastra. I would like to welcome our expert, Ms. Subraja Mohan ma'am. Before starting the session, I would like to show you all one introductory video of our company. Please share the screen. I request ma'am to start with the session.
Good evening, everyone. Hope everyone I'm audible. Okay. Today, what we are going to see is Vastu for buildings. How you will design a Vastu for your own building. It can be your own building. It can be a new or planning for a new building or for an existential building. All these you can do Vastu planning. Just a minute. I'm trying to share the screen. Okay. This is Vastu in residential building. My name is Supraja. I am a private consultant working in Pondicherry. Okay. In day one, what you will see in this course is introduction of Vastu. What is Vastu? It is a science of living. How you will plan your living day to day. What all you need in your house, that comes under Vastu. Okay. Introduction about that will be given, and in this course you will learn about residential building and residential plus commercial building. These two will be covered in this class. Next is factors for Vastu building. What are all the elements? Generally, for an ecosystem, balanced ecosystem, you need 5 factors. What are all those? Are 5 elements of nature. They are air, wind, water, soil, and space. These are all the various elements which you require for a balanced ecosystem that in placed in your buildings. How you will do is what we are going to see. Next is planning Vastu for residential building north facing. There are 4 facing, you generally know that: north, south, east, and west. Day 3 we will plan for that, and not only that, we will design the sense for 40 square feet building, how you will split it up and give the various rooms. What are the various rooms you have in the building? Living room, dining room, bedroom, different 2 BHK, 3 BHK. These are all the various factors possible for your building that we will discuss. Okay, this for north facing. And day 4 is for south facing. Planning you will do for residential building, and this is 60-40 or 30-40, whatever available land. For that we will do planning of residential building. Next is east facing. Similarly, for west facing we will do. Okay. Day 7 is what are all the various things you need to have in a building. For instance, there can be a tulasi tree in your building which gives you good vibration. There can be a big main door for your building. These are few tips which I'm mentioning. but you will see in detail what is the reason for that, why we are considering that we will see in Vastu tips. Okay, this is regarding planning, and you need to do an assessment for your building, for your future building, or for your existing building. You need to do a Vastu assessment. That is very important. That will be discussed in detail. Even today, we will see some few Vastu assessment, how we are going to do in a brief way. We will see today. Okay. Next is assessment for a new building. What you will do for a new building, and the recommendation for the building, and what you will do. We will do a reporting work. This is how your building is. This is how you are scoring. Your building is scoring. And what are all the? This is the mark you got for your building, or score you got for a building. And what else? You will say how we are going to improve that structure. Okay, that is your report preparing. Next is worked out example. What do you mean by this is, there are various worked out examples which I am having. Since I have worked in the industry, I have few examples that we will share. And a complete Vastu buildings, how we need to be, that we will share. Okay. Do you have any clarification till that, or I will move to one assessment I will show you today, how we are assessing. And if you are interested, we will go into the session. Any questions? Okay, then we will go to the assessment part. How you will do the assessment? For example,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am, your screen is not visible.
my screen is not visible now. Is it visible now?
No, ma'am.
No.
Please reshare it.
We have to stop sharing and resharing. Okay, let me do it. Is it visible now?
Yeah, ma'am, it's visible now.
Okay. Okay. In this session, just a brief introduction I will give you. Vastu elements, what are the various Vastu elements, what are the direction, and what are the preferred room. Okay. In Vastu, in northeast corner, what you will do is, you need ISH is the Vastu element, and the preferred room is Puja room. In the east direction, Aditya is your Vastu element, and you will have a balcony over there, and so on. Like that, for southeast direction, Agni is your Vastu element, and you'll have kitchen there. Based on your Vastu elements, it is being split up. See here, north, south, east, and west. It is being split up. And for various corners of your building, there will be different preferred rooms are available. That is seen. Next, there are, let me go to the Vastu assessment. What do you mean by Vastu assessment? There are some 15 points you need to answer. Out of 10 points, you need to score your building. You are scoring your building, and any changes is there that we will do. Okay. First, how you will do is, what's the first question is, what is the position of your main gate entrance? Where is your kitchen? Where is your master bedroom? Okay, these are like 15 points are there. This is for residential plus commercial building. This fast assessment can be done. Okay, how you will do it? First, let me take a sample plan. Okay, this is your sample plan, and it is like north is here, this side is north, so you are going to divide it into like this. Divide your building. Divide a building. And which is north? This one is north. This is your south. This is your east. This is your west. Okay. And what is here? North, southwest, northwest, southeast, northeast. Okay. We are splitting it up into various direction. Based on your direction, we are splitting the building into 9 parts. Okay. And now we are going to do the calculation. Here, what is the position of?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, your screen is visible, but they can't see the PPT. Like it's in the home page of your file explorer.
Now are they able to see my word and image?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No. Why am I getting like this? Now are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. A Word document and an image?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Sorry for that. Okay. See here. What I did is, this is the sample plan which I have taken and I have split into 9 parts. Okay. As per the drawing, this is the north. So this is the north. This is the south. This direction is the east and this is the west. And this becomes your northwest, southwest, southeast and northeast. This is how we are going to split it up. Any plan you got it, draw such that you will get a 9 portion of it. Okay. And how are you going to do the assessment?
Excuse me, ma'am. Sorry to interrupt. As people are texting in the chat box that to please repeat once again.
From the beginning. Okay, let me repeat. From the PPT you want? Are you able to see the PPT?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, let me do it. For in day 1, what we are going to discuss is introduction of Vastu in residential building and residential plus commercial building. This is what we are going to see. There are where you are getting, where in which place you are living, that is your residential building. Residential and commercial, when it will come, is in the entrance of the road. At the roadside you will have shops. There you will see the both residential and commercial building, that we will discuss. Day 2. Day 2 is factors for Vastu building. What are all the factors, elements of Vastu building? Okay, generally there are 5 Panchabuddhas. You know that 5 elements. You know that. What are the elements? Air, water, wind, sky, the space, and soil. These are the 4 Panchabuddhas. Okay, that we will discuss in detail. Next is planning for residential building in north facing. There are 4 phases: north, south, east and west. Okay, if the building is north facing, how you are going to plan your building, and what are the various types of land you will take. For instance, I am taking 60-40 square feet, 60-40 land, and how will you plan for north facing, that we will see in day 3. Day 4 is similarly for south facing, and day 5 is for east facing, planning Vastu for residential building for east facing. Okay, how we are going to do it for west facing? Either you can have your AutoCAD and we can do that, or you have a piece of paper, we will plan in that. Either way it is possible. You do not worry that how I don't have a AutoCAD, how will I do? Don't worry, we will do it on a piece of paper also, that is fine for you. Okay, just you need to know the concept. Okay, Next is day 7 is Vastu tips. What are all the Vastu tips? As he said, the main door should be more than any of the door in your building. The entrance and the exit of the building should have should see. When you enter the building, you should see the exit also. These are few tips, okay, that is needed. Then, based on position of your room, for instance, let me say, living room is at the starting point. There are 2 bedrooms. Okay, there's a third bedroom also. There is a common toilet or there is attached toilet. How will you determine whether the building is vastu or not? That will be taught to you. Okay, and next is assessment for new buildings. How you will do the assessment, that and all we will teach in the subsequent days. Next, Vastu recommendation. There are few recommendation which is needed if the building doesn't come under your Vastu. You need to remove few things. Some alteration for your home is need to be done. That is what comes under Vastu recommendation for your building. Next is based on the assessment and recommendation, you will submit a report. Okay, in any place you can be, in any state you can be, any country you can be, and based on your plan in your hand, you can do this report preparation and you can give them. Okay. Next is worked out examples. I have worked out, and there are a lot of projects going on in Vastu Shastra based on Vastu. I will share with you, and by the end of the day, sample Vastu complete buildings I will show you, and we will have an assessment. Okay, is my preparation, is my PPT visible? Yes or no?
Not now, ma'am. It's in. Yeah. Now it's visible, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Now, what we will do is we will take a sample plan today. Sample plan I will show you. This is a sample plan. This is a very simple plan. Nothing in detail is being there. Just a simple plan. Okay. I think now it is visible. It should be visible. Okay. In this, how we are first, what we are going to do is Vastu diagram we will draw. This is a plan, and how we are going to divide it is, see, this is the north facing. This is north. See, this north, south, this side. This is west, and this is east. How to know your east direction is, from north go clockwise, you will get your east. Okay, for this north and you're going clockwise, and this becomes your east and this becomes your west. Okay, knowing that, what you will do is you are splitting up into 3 parts, 1, 2 and 3, and you are going to do it same, 1 and 2. This also 1, 2 and 3. So totally you will get 9 parts. Okay, are you clear in this, or should I draw and show you again? Answer me. I need a live session. Answer. Anyone?
Ma'am, they are texting in chat box. Kindly check.
It is clear?
Yes, ma'am. They are saying it's clear.
Yes, it's clear. Okay, now you have divided into 9 parts. Now, next what you will do is, you will answer me a few questions. 15 questions I have here. See, these are 50 questions. These are very simple questions which need to be answered. Okay, I'll have it this way. Okay, what is the position of the main gate? This is your, this west facing plot. So your gate is west. So right here west. Okay, I mean clear. Position of the main entrance or a gate is west. So I'm writing here west. Where is the kitchen? Kitchen is where it is, southeast. Southeast is the kitchen. So write southeast here. Where is your master bedroom? This is your master bedroom. In which portion it is predominantly is northwest, it is predominant. So it is northwest. Am I clear? Okay. I will write and show you. Just a minute. This is southeast. south and east. This is your east. This becomes your southeast. This becomes your southwest. This becomes your northwest. This becomes your northeast. Okay, this becomes your northeast. So now you will answer these questions. Now it is easy for you. Where is the children room? Is there any children room here? No, there is no children room, so leave it here. So blank. Where is your guest room? During planning, they were planning this to be a guest room. Where is this? Southwest. Southwest is your guest room. Dining room. Dining room generally comes near your kitchen. So this is your kitchen. Next to kitchen, they are planning for a dining room. So we will say east is your dining room. And where is your water underground tank? Where is your underground? Generally, it is north direction. It will come. Okay, so north. Where is your toilet? Toilet is in the west. Okay, west facing. Where is the garage or servant quarters? There is no such thing. So blank. Which direction of the plot is the house built in? Direction of the plot. Which direction of the plot? This is your entire plot. This is your entire plot. And which direction of your plot is the building? Which direction it is? It is more, see here, 9 feet, 7.5 feet, 7.5 feet, 5 feet. Which direction it is? It is in the northwest direction, predominant in the northwest direction. So here it is northwest. Okay, if people were living happily, yes, generally it is yes. People are happy. Okay. Next, if there it is a commercial building, what is the question saying? See, if used earlier as an office or commercial purpose, how was it doing? Okay. This building doesn't have commercial, so blank. Okay. Next, what is in the southwest? Southwest direction. This is southwest direction. What is there? Bedroom is there. Okay. Bedroom is there. Next, what is the placement of turning of your staircase? How it is turning? See, it is going clockwise. It is going clockwise. Okay. Next, what is there in the surrounding of the building? This is drawn with the setback. See, there are setbacks on all the sides. Okay, and this building is drawn. What is there in the surrounding? There could be a tree. There could be a place of play. Anything can be there. Okay, you have written all the things. Let me say there's a plant, there's open space, something like that. We are doing it, and the surrounding plant. Generally, we will have written plant on all the sides of the building. Are you clear with this now? Yes or no? I need an answer. What are they saying? Can anyone read it?
Yes, they're saying yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. First, you need to take a plan, divide it into 9 things, and you're going to the assessment. And points out of 10, we are writing location in the building. What are the various locations in the building you have written based on the plan? Okay. Next, how we are going to rate this? How we are going to rate it is just a minute. You got, see here, the ratings will be there. Ratings not there. Huh? Wait a minute. Okay, just a minute. Searching for it. Below itself it is there, I think. Yes, see here. For the first question, position of the main gate, see here, for northeast it is 10 points. For east it is 9 points. North, it is 8 point. Based on this, you have to say how many points here. Okay, we copy it here. Wait a minute. Now say me. Now, how much is the point here? Here, see. What is the first question? Position of the main gate. Northeast, it is 10 point. According to our case, it is west. West, how many points? 5 points only. So, 5 points. Where is the kitchen? Where is the kitchen? What is the from your plan? What do you get? Southeast is what you got. Southeast, how much according to this? And this is 10 points. 10 points. It will vary. Don't worry. It will vary. By total, how you're getting that much you need to see. Okay. Next is where is the master bedroom? Northwest. Northwest. What is there? Northwest. It is 7 points. Next one, nil. Fifth one. Okay, southwest. Southwest, how much? 3 points. 3 points. Where's the dining room? Drawing a dining room. What's east you have said? So it is 10 points. And bell tube or underground tank, north. How much is the point here? 8 points. Where position of the toilet, okay? Where it is west. So it is 9 point. Next it is 10th question. Position of your house with respect with the plot. What you have done northwest, so 7 point. Can you understand how am I getting all these points from this? This for each position you will have for which direction how many points are available. So based on that I am entering here. Okay. Now what's it? 11th question. 11th question, happy. This 10 points. Generally wish the house to be happy. Generally give 10 points. Next question. Next is 13th one. What is in the southwest? Southwest, what it is? Any query? No. Okay. Where is in the south? What is in the southwest? Bedroom. Bedroom. Southwest. Commercial. 13. Okay. This is for commercial. So we did not answer is that. We did not answer. This answer will not come. See here. 13th is for commercial place alone. This point. This is a completely residential building. So we did not go into the points. Next. What is the placement or turning of the staircase? See here. Staircase for both residential and commercial building. What is there? Clockwise. Clockwise it is turning. Okay. From which direction to which direction? You are seeing south. South and turning clockwise. Okay. So 10. 10. Okay, what is there in the surrounding? More area in the northeast as compared to the southwest. Okay, what are all various things? Are there any natural depression in northeast? Any elevation in southwest? Good construction material used. Good neighbors. What is there in your surrounding? There is an empty space in your surrounding. What is the purpose? There is a more area, more open area. So open area, plants are there. What else is there? Neighbors are there, construction materials are there, elevation is there. What is there? In this case we will go to the more open space. So this point is 10. Okay, are you good with your point system? Now let us calculate how much you got for your building. What you will do? 5 plus 10 plus 7 plus 3 plus 10 plus 8 plus 9 plus 7 plus 10 plus 10. 70, another 10 is there, plus 10. 89 is your score. See here, result. How much you got? 89 you got. See here, 89 comes under good. So your building is having good Vastu. Understood? Now you have any query related to this same? Yes, ma'am, you have a query. Yeah, same. Type a question.
We'll be unmuting everyone. Like, anyone has some doubts, kindly maintain the queue.
Understood, ma'am. Bedroom position? What happened to that? Yes, you have to divide it into 9 equal parts. Living room position. That is not in the. Wait a minute. Living room position they have asked here. They have not asked here. Living room doesn't come under the assessment. Only English language is used for this course? Yes. Puja room position. Okay, ma'am. Then center part denotes your it's called Prithvi. Okay, it is called Prithvi and it should be empty. Empty in the sense you should not have even a pillar, a column, nothing should be there. Generally, how you will do is, let me show you once more. One second. You have this diagram, no? What they will do is, they will draw like this. They will cross. See, this is the center point. See, there is no pillar, no nothing, any column, no column is there, no pillar is there, no staircase is there. This is the center point. And the center point of your land, both should coincide. Both should coincide. Then your building is considered to be Vastu effective. Okay, it's called Prithvi, it should be empty. Exact location of bedroom in plan. There are 2 bedrooms. Okay. Toilet is in the west, northwest and southwest. How to now plot direction, ma'am? Sometimes they say to consider 16 directions. Sometimes they used to say 16 directions. That is in very in-depth it is going. But as of what I am practicing right now, I am teaching you. For that, 9 direction is sufficient. And I will also look in for the more directions also. I will look in and I'll definitely let you know. What is the role in points? Where is the position of staircase? Yeah, you saw, no, how the staircase is turning. Staircase is turning. Based on that, you will give your points. Next question. Where is the air conditioning? Window is there, right? See, window is there. Window, ventilator is there for restroom. What are the choices?
Ma'am, how to know the plot direction, ma'am? Plot direction with respect to which?
Plot direction. See here. How to know the plot direction? In this case, this is a designed one. In this case, west is the plot direction. This is the direction. This is the entrance. Just a minute. This is the entrance plot direction. Next. Next question. Any more question? Okay. What we will see in our courses, you will have what if the staircase anti-clocks? Is there a different point for that? Yes, there is a different point for that. Color, you asked, right? Yes, there is a color factor in your Vastu. You will see color based on your Rasi, everything. There is a separate science for that. Color also we will discuss in the class. Factors, based on factors that we will discuss. Next query. Okay, how ignore south facing house and overcome from this? Why we ignore south facing house? And see, nowadays how it is to getting a plot itself is a big thing. Okay, in that you see Vastu and build for that. That is how it is going now. If we want like this facing only, I want is there is very difficult in getting the land or property for that. So with your land, whatever land direction you get the plot and you build accordingly. Build according to the where grandparents should sleep. Is there anything like that? No, not for my building. Not like that. There can be north facing. If you keep your head and sleep, it is good. That is what is there for grandparents. I have to check and come back. Generally, face your head on north and sleep. That is good. Next question. What is the open space front of the building? Setbacks. Setbacks need to be there. Because for ventilation, not only ventilation, in your planning code book, if you see, kitchen is not. Wait. One question it will take. Yeah.
Ma'am, how many windows should be there, ma'am? Windows or doors?
Odd is good. Odd number is good. Odd number is good. Just a minute. One person asked me, southeast, what if there is no kitchen in the southeast? You can have it in the south or you can have it in the east. Because, wait a minute, let me show you the scoreboard. Let me show you. Kitchen, where is the kitchen? Kitchen, second point. Kitchen, see here, southeast it is 10 points. Northwest it is 9 points. In this order, if not, you are not getting here, so go for the next one. Go for northwest, that will give you 9 points. Based on this order, you select. Okay. Next question.
Which direction we keep staircase? Anti-clockwise or clockwise?
Clockwise. Clockwise you need to go.
And if we provided anti-clockwise, then ma'am, any bad effect?
Any bad effect? Generally, you need to plan. No change. You cannot change it. Have your puja room and do puja. That's the thing I can say. Next question.
So it's better to keep in clockwise direction, ma'am, staircase?
Yeah, clockwise is better. Can you provide me your PPT? Yeah, we will share with the admin team. They will take care of it. I think so. Okay, ma'am. Any other question? Did I skip? What I suggest is, first we will learn this course planning. Planning based on your own state code book. For example, I'm from Puducherry. Let me take planning bylaws and planning of Puducherry. Let me give the setbacks. Okay, first I will take the setbacks from the code. Okay, from the bylaws, and we will plan internally. That's how we are going to see. This is for our new building. For already constructed building, yes.
மேம் இந்த மாதிரி பிளான் ஒரு இண்டிவிஜுவல் ஹோம்க்கு செட் ஆகுமா?
எதுக்குப்பா?
இந்த மாதிரி பிளான் ஒரு இண்டிவிஜுவல் ஹோம்க்கு செட் ஆகுமா மேம்? நாட் only for buildings, individual houses.
Individual house செட் ஆகும். It will ஆகும்.
Okay ma'am.
Okay. For already existing building, this assessment need to be done, and in any case, this need to be seen. Yes, someone is raising your hand. Yes, you can speak. What if in flats? Flats also same thing. What you will have is, it will be purely a residential building. There will not be any commercial building coming up. Okay. What is the remedy? Staircase. We can't change the Vastu remedy for some. Yes. There are few remedies and tips. Have a pyramid at your home. Have a small tulsi plant at your entrance. Okay. Have your mob it with salt water. Okay. These are all few energized things which you can do. Okay. In that also we will see deeply. In class we will see that. Okay. Next question. In which case which is used? Which case? Remedy for the same. Yeah, that is generally what I said is generally in Vastu. If there is not at all Vastu, you cannot do anything. In that case, there are some 10 criteria which you need to have in a building. If you can't change anything, like as she said, if cannot be changed, if Vastu cannot be changed, there are few remedies that can be there. Few energy absorbing techniques are there. Okay, that we can do it. That you will see in the class. Next. Basement in house, is it good or bad? Generally, it is considered. It is also considered while planning, because in high-rise building we have no other option of leaving the parking space somewhere. So what they do is they will have this basement. It is good or bad. There is no separate point for car parking and all. Car parking or space. Okay. So it's not generally considered. We will see the 15 points. 15 points. What is the course fee, madam? Course fee, it is given 1499, I think so. We have to confirm it with the operation team, I think. In course, we learn planning according to Vastu assessment. Is it correct? And please mention anything left. Yes, we will learn all that things. For all types of Vastu, is there a report? For all types, yeah, residential one report can have, and residential plus commercial you have a report. Reporting is there. And you can start your own consulting. You can take a Vastu of a building, say you are suggesting them Vastu, you draw this, give them a report in a report format, and you can earn. Simple as that. Next point. Underground car parking, you can have it. But you just need to check with the earthquake resistance. It goes into that earthquake resistance, good or bad. Operation team is saying it is 1699. Okay, cost price is 1699. Okay. Sorry for that, you mentioned it in a different way. Okay. Next question. You're all young people, young entrepreneurs. You can is basement parking good for a residential building? No, this doesn't speak. The Vastu doesn't speak for basement parking. Where you're going to place your lift, near your staircase, you are going to place a lift. So it is just a movement of people. So staircase and lift together put under one. It comes under one condition. Next. Preferred direction, south to west. Let me check it. Wait a minute. See, preferred position of your staircase, where it is here. See, 14th point. In southwest, turning clockwise, that gives you more point. So this, you can do this. Next. Puja room best location is east. What is it? Best double is for master bedroom. One, if you compromise, you have to compromise the other. Everything cannot be come under the same thing. You just need to check it. Next you have to go. See, if this is not coming up, go to next. Southwest turning anti-clockwise is coming. No, then go next. In south turning clockwise is there. One by one, you have to come down. Both cannot be at the same place. You have to compromise one or the other. We want all listeners to wait for a few more minutes. We will be sharing the registration link soon. The operation team has pasted it. Okay, we'll wait. This is very interesting, ma'am. Yes, staircase, right location, building plan. If we don't provide in our plan, if it think we have to provide outside the building plan. Outside the plan also comes, but you have to take anyway you'll have the veranda near your staircase. Okay, so there is an empty space. Staircase is going anti-clockwise. Any remedies? No, the point is 0 for that. And I will even check it up. What it will happen? It will going clockwise. I'll check and come back. Okay. And in this session, what you will do is, by the end of the day, you are going to have your building plan. Wherever you are staying, that building plan, you will have it in your hand. You will do the assessment. You will do the sum up, and you will see and give the recommendation. Okay, till that we will go in this class. We will take this class. Okay. Is it interesting or it is boring? Boring, interesting? Anyone?
Interesting, ma'am.
Interesting.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Interesting. Okay, it's going interesting. Okay. What else we will cover is we will draw for 60-40. 60-40 plan for 60-40, and there are even few numbers. Let me finish. Few numbers for the numerology. There are few good numbers which need to be considered in your plan. That also we will discuss. Okay. If provide parapet wall, then what is the height of the parapet wall? Height of parapet wall is 3 feet, I think so. Yeah, 1 meter. 1 meter height. 3 feet it is. I'm a civil engineer. Okay, thank you. Thank you. What then? What then we will cover in our session? What we will take is you need to we will share plans among your team itself. Okay, share plan among your team, and we will even draw the assessment, do the assessment for them. Okay, it will be more interesting. We can do assessment for your own place and for your friend's place also, so that you will have more experience in doing the assessment of your building. Admin team, what can I do? No? Operation department, what can I do?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, kindly like wait for 5-10 minutes. We'll be sharing the registration link.
Okay. Here you are sharing it on the page link here.
Yes, ma'am. We'll be sharing in this chat box.
Okay, it will be shared in the chat box. Okay.
ma'am,
Any
as
more?
you see
Yes.
point tables, no, ma'am.
Yes.
We'll get those, ma'am. In general,
When you will get all this?
where will get those, ma'am? அது எங்க கிடைக்கும், ma'am?
எங்க இருந்து கிடைக்கும்னா, there is a book. I am referring to a book. Okay, I have read Vaastu in a book. I'll
Ma'am.
share that. I'll share that book.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Any more questions? Any more questions? Can you tell more about Ishana Kaur? What is your profession, ma'am? I'm a civil engineer, a master's in technology from Pondicherry Engineering College, Central Government College. Okay, civil engineer. Yes, civil engineer. And I've done my project management course from Oxford University. Oxford homeschooling I did in UK, United Kingdom. I did it. And what else? I'm a chartered engineer. I got my chartered engineer position only 3 weeks ago. It is also there. Nice. Great. Congratulations. Okay, thank you. I want everyone to aspire. Okay. I encourage book. Yes, I will send you the book. Come into the class. We will discuss that. Okay. Everyone should how to say, do construction. If you're a structural engineer, do structural engineering work, do some activity. Okay, even in this pandemic, you find somehow and do it. Okay, I think all will be placed somewhere by now. And not only that, I am a assistant professor, worked as an assistant professor. So I'll be saying like that only. I'll be carrying bit for all my students. You're all my students, so I'm very enthusiastic to answer all your questions, and happy to see a group of people wanting to learn this subject. That's nice. Okay, what else? Any query? Type in chat box. Not only query, if you want to share anything, You can also share. We will discuss that also in our class. All sleepy? All wake up, wake up. Don't sleep, don't sleep. Another assessment shall we do?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, another assessment you want to do. Okay. Okay. Instead of assessment, say me the step-by-step procedure. Come on, anyone volunteer and say me the step-by-step procedure for assessment. Assessment procedure, say me. Anyone? What is the dimension for master bedroom? Generally, it could be 11 to 10 feet. Anyone? Anyone you want to say the step-by-step procedure? According to us, only 10 and 11 are good numbers. Okay. They have shared you. Operation team has shared you in your chat box. Kindly see that. Before we close, let me say you the step-by-step procedure and then I will leave you off. Okay. First, take your plan, divide it into 9. Scientific background on room in particular direction. Scientific background for room. Yes, it is science. That you will see in introduction factors class. Why it is so significant, this room in this particular, that is a scientific significance, as it is there. Okay, step-by-step procedure. We will draw 9 parts, you will do it. Okay, and then you will write 15 answers you will answer, and you will do the points for them, and then you sum up, you know that. Okay, and any recommendation which is required, that also you will see. Okay, can we, okay madam, can we end the session, operator?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you have also provided them a link. A link is being provided for you to pay. You can also have the link. Okay. Then thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you everyone for joining the session.